Hi, my name is Roselle Bowerman and I'm the presenter of these video series. Before you dive in, there's a couple of things I would like to make you aware of. The first thing is please complete the registration form. You'll find the link of that at the bottom of this page. The registration form is information for us so that we can provide accurate information back to the National Lottery of this type of service. And it also helps us to see what type of audiences we are reaching so we can provide the best content for you. The second reason for completing the registration form is that it gives you the opportunity to request any foreign subtitles that might help you to understand this content. Due to the funding we have, we can only provide a certain number of subtitle requests. So please do put down your language requests and we'll try and accommodate where we can. Please note that when you complete the registration forms, none of your personal details will be shared with any third parties. It's purely for our benefits, so we can have accurate information and understanding of how these videos are being used. Going back to the subtitles, if you're not familiar with using YouTube as a platform, I'd like to give you a quick demonstration to show you how you can select the subtitles in English or any other language that you prefer. You can try this with me now if you like. Make sure that you watch the video within the YouTube channel. When you hover over the video, you'll see some options available where you can make changes to the video. Click on the subtitle option. This will give you the subtitles in English so that you can follow it along. If you would like the subtitles in another language, you can go along to settings, choose the second option of subtitles, and here you can see the availability of different subtitles. You can then choose the subtitle that you would prefer to have and follow it along in your preferred language. If the language that you prefer is not there, this means it's not an option at the moment. So you can go to the registration form and make your request for subtitles in other languages. This video, for instance, has 3 options: English, Polish, and Chinese, as these were the top requested languages received for this region. I hope you'll find some value in the information presented in the videos. The purpose of this series is to give you confidence when using video conferencing software such as Zoom, so that you can become a confident host in whichever capacity you use it, whether for business, personal, or presenting. Remember that with any digital communication, the aim is always to get the message across successfully, and it shouldn't be about trying to impress anybody. Feel free to leave your comments or your feedback in the YouTube comment box, or you can email us direct. You'll be able to find the email address in the description within the YouTube channel. And finally, if you've benefited from these videos, please do like the content or subscribe to our YouTube channel. This will help us to get the videos out to more people. We really appreciate your feedback because this will help us with any future content that we might want to create. Thank you and take care.